Hi guys, welcome to my channel Raipati Tableau. My name is Kalpana Raipati. This video is about showing a country map and showing the respective flags for the countries that we are selecting in the quick filters and all other countries which are not selected in the quick filter should be shown with the same shape. What I mean, for example, when you are having your country map, you should have this filter here. Generally, when you are selecting any country like this, these countries, whatever the countries that you have selected, you should get that respective countries flags. And see here, when you are using the filter, only the selected will be shown here and all others will be hidden. But my requirement is here all other that are not selected in this list should be shown in the view, and all that are not selected should be shown with the same shape. That means the other should be shown in the same shape and the selected member should show the respective flags of the countries. Okay, how to achieve that? First of all, I am removing this filter. Now we have taken this country map, right? Now here I am defining a set on this country map. So what is the set I am defining here? I am taking all the members in the set. I am keeping the name as country set and click on OK. Now here I am writing a simple calculation. So what is the calculation I am writing here is, if country set, then show me the country, else show them as others. And now a simple calculation, country set members, I'm giving the name as country set members. A simple calculation, if country set, if something is selected from this country set, then show me the country, that respective country, else others. Okay, now I define this. Now what I'm doing is, here the calculation what you have created, just select that calculation, right click on that calculation and go to the default properties. And here in the shape, you are having under default properties, you will have one option called shape, right? Just select that shape option. Here, just to show you randomly, I'm giving flags to only 5-6 countries. I'm not giving, in total we are having 147 countries details here. So I'm not assigning any flags to all of it, just only few. Here under shapes, I added a custom shapes folder called countries. Under that I have taken the flags of some countries. Now here first I will take Afghanistan. Now what is the flag for Afghanistan? Just under this my Tableau repository shapes folder, I added these countries, right? So as to recognize this, I opened this also. Now for Afghanistan, this is the flag. Now Albania, for Albania this is the flag, and Algeria, so for Algeria this is the flag, and for Angola this is the flag. Sorry, Algeria this is the flag, Angola this is the flag. And here France, randomly I have selected. Before that, for Australia I have taken this. Okay, I haven't taken Australia flag. Okay, fine. For France, where is France? Yeah, France I have taken this flag. And India this flag, and I have taken United States. Okay, so take the for which, of course we need to take for all of the countries, but as of now I have taken only for the few countries. Now select the shape from the marks card. Now add this country set members calculation what we have created to the shape folder. Okay, now you will get some random shapes Now first hide these shapes. Now right click on the country set that you have created and select show set. Now all the set members are shown here. That means all the countries are shown here. Now I am unselecting all and I am selecting Afghanistan. Now see, you are getting flag for Afghanistan. And all other are remaining in this circle. Even this, for others you are getting this circle, right? We will take filled circle. Later we will take. First let me show you. For Albania, see, when I am taking that, for Algeria you are getting that flag. And for Angola also you are getting that flag. When I am selecting, let me select France. We have given to France also, right? France. Even India. See, you are getting that flags accordingly. Now let us take that, go to shape, and for others just take the, I am changing the shape from this halo circle to the filled circle. Now see, here we are showing others also in the view, even uniform shape for others and the flags for the respective countries what you have selected here. See here, I haven't given any flag to Argentina, but when I select Argentina, see here, this is Argentina. It is taking some other shape. Rather taking the same shape here, it is taking some other shape and all other are remaining in the same shape. So this is one of the important scenario that I faced very recently. I thought of sharing it with you. Okay, if you like my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.